The Goat and the Singing Wolf. An Aesop's Fable. Retold by Anthony Curran. Illustrated by Jess Yeomans. A young goat was walking across a field. Suddenly, a hungry wolf jumped out of the bushes. The goat ran for his life, but the wolf soon caught him. The hungry wolf licked his lips. He opened his jaws to eat the goat. "Wait!" cried the goat before the wolf could gobble him up. "Do me one favor before you eat me," he begged. "What favor is that?" asked the wolf. "It's a small thing, really," said the goat. "I want to hear music once more in my life," said the goat. "Would you please sing me a song before you eat me?" he asked. The wolf thought for a moment. "Why not?" he laughed. "I can still eat you when I am done singing," the wolf growled. So the wolf began to howl out a song for the goat. His mighty voice was loud and strong. A pack of dogs lived nearby on a farm. The wolf's howls soon brought the farmer's dogs running. The pack of dogs quickly chased off the wolf. The young goat laughed when he saw the wolf run away. "That was the best song I ever heard," he chuckled. The wolf learned an important lesson that day. Do not become distracted when a goal is within reach.